country first girl. Nice girl, but you don't know nothing about this. I got a real monkey backpack, girl. That's a Louis Vuitton monkey, girl. Get off my back, monkey. That's a Louis Vuitton monkey. Whatever. Here, we're gonna kick this off. You all put on your glitter lip gloss and DJ Coop kick it. We're gonna teach you something tonight. Some of y'all know it, some of y'all don't. You know what it's called? Oh, yes! 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 If it ain't got words, still gonna give you some words to remember it by. It goes work, beat, fierce, zone. Work, beat, fierce, zone. Work, beat, fierce, zone. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Stop! I lost my contact. Found it. Well, I hope you guys like that tutorial about how to yes. Uh-oh. Look at Kiki. Look at her go. All right, slow down, girl. Listen up. Slow down, girl. You're gonna yes too hard. Slow down, girl. She's done this before. She'll yes to death. You're gonna hurt yourself. Someone call a fireman. She's on fire. Stop, Kiki. Stop. You're yesing too hard. Kiki. Kiki, stop. My friend just died from yesing too hard. I have to believe in the yes. The yes can cure everything. People, I need you with me right now. I need you to yes. I need you to do yes with me. You're gonna save Kiki. Can you do that? Can you do that? All my girls, come on. All my girls.